welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed and finessed this closure unit that was sent to me by this Amazon company called Domiso hair company. This is the cute little box that it came in. They sent me over their 18-inch 4x4 deep wave curly unit in the density of 180%. I'll leave all the information for this unit also in my description bar down below, so if you are interested in purchasing this unit, all the information will be listed. I'm also going to be showing you how I finessed my baby hairs to make this closure wig look like a frontal. Like, this wig is definitely giving what it needs to be giving. It's super cute. Like, it's the baby hairs for me. It's the curls for me. So if you are interested to see how I installed and finessed this closure wig, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, and to comment down in the comment section bar down below on what other videos you would like to see from me. So let's jump right into the installation process of this 4x4 closure wig from Domiso hair company. So the wig that I'm going to be installing today is in collaboration with Domiso hair company on Amazon. This is the cute little pink box that it came in. Inside of the box I received their 4x4 deep wave closure unit in the density of 180%. Inside of the box also I received a pair of stocking cap. So the hair came in this cute little packaging, and straight out of the box the wig was super soft, and I was definitely feeling the curls on this closure wig. So this hair came pre-plucked, and inside of the wig it came with 3 combs behind of the closure, 1 to the back, and it also came with adjustable straps so you can adjust this wig to your particular liking. So I went ahead also to bleach and dye the hair off camera. So let's jump right into the installation process. This is the wig right here. I went ahead to dye it black. As you guys can see, it's jet black. So this wig is from Domiso hair, and this is their 18-inch 4x4 deep wave wig. So this is in the shade carob, and what I like to do, I like to put it into the parting space of the closure. So that is normally how I prep the wig for install. So my hair is already packed. I already cut the lace off to the back, and I already adjust the adjustable strap. So okay, so once that is cleaned, I'm going in with my glue, my bowl tool today to lay this install. And I think I might do 2 layers of the glue today. And I'm going to blend the glue out with the end of my razor comb. Once I have everything how I want it and it's glued down how I want it, I'm just going over that with my blast free spray before I go in and actually cut the lace off. And now I'm going in with my Murray's Australian beeswax. This is like my holy grail when it comes to when I have black hair. I like to go over it with this because it is super dark and it actually lays my hair. So if you don't have wax stick or you're out of wax stick, you can always use Murray's Australian beeswax. And it's time to work on my baby hairs, you guys. And now I'm going to be taking my Gorilla Snot. I'm gonna be using my Gorilla Snot gel to lay my baby hairs today, so I'm just going to work on perfecting how I want my baby hairs to lay today. I'm going to be doing some dramatic baby hairs so you guys could actually see what I'm doing. I'm just finessing it to my liking, then I'm going back in to pluck out some hair to the side of this wig, and I'm just gonna continue to finesse my baby hairs until I get it to where I want it. So now I'm going in with my Isoplus Natural Remedy Tea Tree and Aloe Vera Oil Sheen. So this is it right here. Just to spray the top portion of the hair. But I'm definitely feeling it as is. And then I'm going in with some mousse to define the ends a little bit. So after I finished applying the mousse, you guys, I totally forgot to define the parting space of my wig, but nevertheless the look came out bomb. So this concludes the end result of my 4x4 deep wave closure. So I'm gonna leave it until it dries down. My baby hairs are on point, so be right back, you guys. So you guys, this is the end result of my closure wig install, you guys. Yes, it's a closure wig, and this wig is an Amazon Prime wig, you guys, and it's super affordable as well. And this wig retails for $109.99 on Amazon. For 18 inches, it's actually straight out of the box. The wig was really soft after I washed it and I dyed it jet black, because you know your girl loves jet black curly hair. It just does something for me, jet black hair. Okay, so the hair was really soft out of the box. Like, you guys, look at the curls on this. The curls on this unit is like everything. And I went in with my Lotta body foaming mousse. I'm almost out, because you know I love this foaming mousse. And I went in with some water and conditioner also to define the curls a little bit more. It's really nice. It's really nice, but it's definitely the baby hairs for me. So the curls is a plus. I washed it, I bleached it, I dyed it, and I plucked it, and for a curly unit it didn't shred much, which I really like. It's 180% density. It's a summer wig. Like, we live where you vacation, so every day is summer here in the Caribbean, so it is summer friendly and it is vacation slate ready. Especially if you don't want to use frontal wigs, you can just put on your closure wigs, adjust some elastic bands in the inside so you can just put it on and wear it glueless. So that's what I think I'm gonna do when I actually install it again. So yeah, you guys, this concludes the installation process of this wig from Domiso Hair Company. Shout out to the Domiso Hair Company for sending me over this wig, so go and check them out. All the information will be listed for this wig. So until next time, see you in my next video, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do. See you in my next one, and God bless.